Creating trustworthy evidence-based guidelines can be complex and time-consuming. Getting started with new platforms often feels overwhelming. But what if you can learn how to use MAGICapp at your own pace and whenever you need it? Introducing MAGICapp Academy, the go-to resource for mastering MAGICapp. Explore short video tutorials and full demos that walk you through every step of the process. Exciting, right? Whether you're starting your first guideline or refining an existing one, MAGICapp Academy gives you continuous access to easy-to-follow guides whenever it suits you. It helps you unlock the full potential of MAGICapp, empowering you to create, update, and publish guidelines effectively. Start your learning journey today at academy.magicevidence.org.